Nissim Ezekiel is known as the father of modern Indian English. Okay, and then he has won Sahitya Academy Award, and then he has a well crafted diction. Today we are going to see the poem The Patriot by Nissim Ezekiel. The specialty about this poem is that it is written in Indianized English. Lot of Hindustani words are being used, and then it's wrote keeping in mind the English speaking Indians. We know how the mother tongue influence will be there in English when people speak, people whose mother tongue is different, and then people who take English as their second language, how mother tongue influence can be there. So we are going to see the Indianized English version of The Patriot, and I will be reading the poem also in that Indianized tone. So I hope it will be interesting to you. Let's see this. The Patriot. I am standing for peace and non-violence. Why world is fighting? So he says that he stands for peace and non-violence, the qualities that or the Gandhian principles. He's wondering why the world is fighting, why all people of world are not following Mahatma Gandhi. I'm simply not understanding. So he says that he don't understand why all people are not following Mahatma Gandhi, the Gandhian principles. Ancient Indian wisdom is 100% correct. This 100% correct and all is a kind of Indianized English. I should say even 200% correct. Indians, we mostly use say like the 200% correct and all. So it's used like that. But modern generation is neglecting too much, going for fashion and foreign thing. So modern generation is going too much for foreign stuffs. Other day I am reading newspaper. Every day I am reading Times of India to improve my English language. How one Gunda fellow threw at Indira Behan. So he says that how he reads a newspaper and how he finds that Indira Gandhi was being stoned by a Gunda fellow. Must be a student undressed fellow, I am thinking. So he says it must be a student. Friends, Romans, countrymen, I am saying, lend me the ears. Everything is coming. Regeneration, remuneration, contraception. So all these things are coming into us. Contraception, especially like during Indira Gandhi's time, since her name is mentioned during that time, lots of like birth control, family planning, and all were given importance. Be patiently, brothers and sisters. You want one glass lassi? You want one glass lassi? So lassi we know is an Indian drink, curd mixed with sweet and all. Very good for digestion. Lassi is very good for digestion. With little salt, lovely drink, better than wine. Says that it is much better than wine. Not that I'm ever tasting the wine. I am the wine. See, the wine. That is also Indianized English. I am the total teetotaler. Completely total. So I am the total teetotaler. So the total teetotaler also is an Indianized version. But I say wine is for drunkards only. Why you think of prospects of world peace? Pakistan behaving like this, China behaving like that. So he says the unharmonious relationship between China and Pakistan with India. It is making me really sad, I'm telling you. Really, most harassing me. All men are brothers, no? In India also Gujaratis, Maharashtrians, Hindiwalas, all brothers, all are brothers. Though some are having funny habits, still you tolerate me, I tolerate you. One day Ram Rajya is surely coming. Ram Rajya is the kind of utopian state of India, like utopian. We know that utopia means like an ideal state. So the belief that India also will be like that is what we see as Ram Rajya. You are going, but you will visit again or any time, any day. I am not believing in ceremony. Always I am enjoying your company. I don't believe in welcome ceremony and all, but I always enjoy your company. So this is the Indianized version, and I have tried my best to also put that Indianized tone in this poem. I hope it is interesting to you. So if it is interesting, then kindly read more of Nissim Ezekiel's poem, but don't think that Nissim Ezekiel is a person who talks this type of Indianized English. Okay, he writes very well. This is just a kind of satirism is done in the conventions of India, though he tries to embrace Indian culture and its diversity. He's satirizing Indian conventions. That is why this Indianized tone is done. I have also tried my best to put that Indianized tone. Okay, otherwise Nissim Ezekiel's English is very good only. He has well crafted diction also. Okay, I hope you like the poem. Thank you.